Okay, let's try this. I just remembered. I actually have a camera. How do I do this? Well, let's hope it doesn't shut off. Is that about the right angle? Yeah, I guess it is. Let's do this. Got a GoPro for Christmas. Hopefully, I have no idea if this is getting anything. Okay, get rid of that. Nine and a blade and a blade. Oh wow, I am gonna get 4. 12 and 3 blades. Let's try that. Let's see how good my math is. These new bags are awesome. I just got to get used to where everything goes. All right, let's do this. That's a poor man's electric brake. Not the prettiest 2x12s in the world, but they'll do. Come along, pig. On the Hoggett farm. I just realized Hoggett, that's a pig name. Huh, that's kind of funny. So like I said earlier, what's over there? No nosing, because they're gonna wrap these. So that's cool. I think I'm gonna run out of glue here kind of quick. I gotta see if you're seeing what I'm seeing. Come on now. Work with me, phone. Work with me. Oh wow, so that's like looking straight down. That's kind of different. All right, well, whatever. It is what it is. And that's all there is. I'm pretty sure it's crooked too. It just feels crooked on my head. Oh, to be a noob. To be a noob. Yes. To be or not to be a noob. That is the question. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Stick it. Come on. Don't fight me. Just go. Oh, I'm running out of steam here. I feel it. Come on. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Wow, I might be able to make it all the way. We shall see. Okay. Hey, so I learned a lesson today. Don't just plug your nail gun into a compressor, because these guys had a brand new little pancake porter cable, and it was default set at 150 psi, and my beautiful little Max gun is only rated to 120. So it's funny how it started to hiss like it was blowing past the seals or something. So I had to go fix that. That was my own fault though, 'cause A, I didn't check, and B, I was being lazy. I thought I would use their compressor instead of unloading mine out of the truck. So that's how Murphy gets you. You think you're doing something, and then he's got other plans for you. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh yeah, baby, yeah. Nailed it. Somewhere in there. So this is my personal preference. I use hot dip galvanized nails for all my framing, because I don't like rust. Even though it means nothing, it's visual. A lot of people don't know what they're looking at, and so when they see rust, it bothers them. And these are 3 1/4 131s. Sometimes if I can find 131s at 3-inch, those are kind of rare. They used to be all over, but can't find them now. All right, so, oh hey, never even shot this one on. That's dangerous. Thought I was all done and jaw jacking. See, this whole video thing, I gotta work on that, because guys who do this on YouTube definitely have some skills. I know how to build stuff, but I don't know how to video it. That whole sequencing gets out of whack. All right. So the big concern here was making sure that I still have 3 feet. So I need like 3'1" to get sheetrock on that corner. Oh, look at that, 3'1". Oh, wow. And you can't get any closer than that. So this is legit. Now I need to do a set of stairs down that way. And I'm gonna measure roof spans here too, so I'll know what's going on with this roof. What a view. What a view.